A lot of problems that I see in the MedTech space when I speak to marketing leaders, that's VP of marketing, director of marketing, CMOs, is their brand story is not consistent. This is a big problem. And the reason that is I attribute it to two factors. One is because of PowerPoint, and the other is because of Dropbox. These are both called open presentation systems, right? So we've all experienced this before, where you create a really nice PowerPoint presentation, you put it in Dropbox, and you give it to the team. You send a massive email to the whole team and say, guys, we have a new presentation in there, take this one to market. And then what happens is that you'll look at that presentation, it comes across your desk or your inbox, and you're like, wait a second, this is not what I did. This looks like nothing like what I actually created and spent a lot of money and time creating. And that's because those are open presentation systems. So that is one of the key reasons that we built our sales enablement platform, is because we wanted to help MedTech sales leaders and marketing leaders control their sales story, to put all of their assets, all of their presentation assets, and all of their key materials into one place that cannot be altered. Because if you can't control your sales story and you're a scaling organization, that's a recipe for disaster. I strongly, strongly believe that all MedTech brands, especially in this vertical of the MedTech space, need to control their sales story, not only to deliver their sales story consistently, but also for regulatory reasons. You have an obligation when you're selling a medical device to present that with accuracy. Now, if you let your team do whatever they want with presentations and how they present, it's a recipe for disaster and you will be in trouble.